Hey Kira, remind me to buy milk.
Got it? I've made a note for you to buy milk. Is there anything else I can help with?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Insta360 just dropped a massive firmware update for the Go Ultra. They've integrated a full conversational AI voice assistant named Kira directly into this camera. I've been messing with it for a couple of weeks now, and it's definitely pushing this tiny action cam into the world's smartest camera territory. Instead of just basic start-stop commands, with the latest firmware, you can now hold live bilingual conversations, ask questions about what the camera is seeing, or get instant travel info. It's funny because I didn't know this camera even had the ability to talk back to me. I thought it just beeped whenever I hit the shutter button. Once you update the camera, to activate the AI voice assistant, you can press and hold the shutter button on the standalone camera module, or if you have it docked in the action pod, you can press and hold the Q button on the side. You'll see the lights on the Go Ultra turn white when it's listening to you. You can also wake the AI by saying, "Hey Kira." Hey Kira.
I'm here.
Let's actually break down all the new features, starting with the real-time translation. Within China, the Go Ultra uses Qwen for its AI voice assistant feature, while outside of the country, it uses Gemini AI. You can wear the Go Ultra on your chest for casual interactions, or if you're in a noisy environment, you can pass the camera back and forth. Let's actually FaceTime my buddy Frank to test this out. He doesn't really speak English, so this should work perfectly. Enter translation mode. I'm doing that. Was that the balloons?
What languages would you like to translate between?
Spanish and English.
¿En qué ciudad nos vamos a ver?
Which city are we going to meet in?
We'll go to Tokyo next time.
La próxima vez iremos a Tokio.
¿Para cuándo quieres ir a Tokio?
When do you want to go to Tokyo?
Let's go during Christmas.
¿Vayamos durante la Navidad?
Está bien, pero se me hace muy frío.
Okay, but I think it's too cold.
Wear a jacket.
Ponte una chaqueta.
¿Qué pasa si mejor vamos a otro lugar? Mejor a Argentina. Oigo que es bien bonito allí.
What if we go somewhere else instead? Maybe Argentina? I hear it's really nice there.
Ooh, I've never been to Argentina. That actually, honestly, does sound dope.
Oh, nunca he estado en Argentina. De hecho, suena genial.
So how's it sounding right now?
No, it's working. It's working.
I'm actually impressed.
I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Or a 9 out of 10.
I feel like the speed is actually not too bad.
No, or a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's working. It worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
All right. So he does speak English. I just don't know what he's talking about most of the time. Anyways, the next major addition is Ask with Photo. This is where you point the camera at an object or landmark, ask Kira a question, and the Go Ultra answers back out loud. Let's see how this works out in the field. What am I looking at?
You are looking at a farm scene with a large silo, a barn, and green fields.
How far is that barn?
Give me a moment. That barn looks like it's about 50 yards away.
What kind of flower is this?
Got it? These are black-eyed Susans, a popular species of coneflower.
There's a sign in front of me. What does it say?
Please wait a moment. The sign warns that the water is deep and unsafe to enter. It also prohibits swimming, skating, and boating.
Can you translate the sign into Japanese?
警告、水深危険、立ち入り禁止、遊泳、スケート、ボート禁止と書いてあります。
You can also ask Kira questions that have nothing to do with what's in front of the lens. It uses voice print recognition to learn your specific voice, so it can isolate you from crowd noise and only respond when you're talking. I'm just gonna test this here since we're not using the camera view, so let's ask it a few questions. Hey, Kira.
I'm here.
Am I gonna need an umbrella today?
It's mostly cloudy today with a low chance of rain, so you probably don't need one right now. However, tomorrow there's a higher chance of thunderstorms, so you might want to keep it handy for then. Is there anything else I can help you check?
What's a must-eat street food that's near me?
You might want to check out Bao Bei for Taiwanese steam buns and fried chicken. Taco Bamba is also a popular spot for tacos. Are you in the mood for something specific?
How about some Chinese food?
For Chinese street food, Shanghai Taste is well known for their soup dumplings and pan-fried buns. There's also a popular stall in the NY Mart grocery store that people like for bao. Are you looking for something specific, like dumplings or noodles?
What's 5,000 Japanese yen in US dollars?
That's approximately 31 to 32 US dollars, depending on the current exchange rate.
Tell me a quick weird fact about Washington, D.C.
Did you know the Washington Monument was once the tallest structure in the world? It held that title briefly in 1884 before the Eiffel Tower was built.
Cool. All right, there you go. Beyond the AI voice features, the Go Ultra is what makes this whole concept work. Having a tiny 53-gram 4K camera magnetically mounted on your chest to capture your POV of the city, while also being able to answer questions without having to pull your phone out of your pocket, is not something I ever wanted, but now that I have it, I didn't realize how much I needed this. Oh, and quick heads up, Insta360 has a limited time offer running for the Go Ultra. You'll get 1 free year of Insta360 Plus Essential, which includes 200 gigabytes of free cloud storage. All you have to do is log into your account in the Insta360 app and connect your Go Ultra to claim this offer. Adding AI to a thumb-sized camera completely changes how you'll use the Go Ultra. You won't have to worry about fumbling to get your phone out and finding the right app while you're traveling. Now you can just tap, ask, and keep on moving. For solo content creators and travelers who want to stay in the moment while capturing hands-free 4K footage, this update makes this camera so much more useful. And as always, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about Kira and these AI features. Alright, I need to call Frank back to teach him some more English.